The first game in IFL action tomorrow night, live from the Resch Center in Green Bay, is the Green Bay Blizzard 3-3 hosting the number one team in the nation, 5-0 Quad City Steamwheelers. It's going to be a great game. Quad City is looking to improve to 6-0, but Green Bay is tough at home. Green Bay's kicker just got called up to the CFL, so they're going to bring in a new kicker from Michigan. It's going to be exciting. Let's see how it goes. My pick is Quad City Steamwheelers will remain undefeated. 62-56, Quad City Steamwheelers over the Green Bay Blizzard. Like and subscribe to the Action Jackson IFL channel and tune in to the IFL network. Go Quad City Steamwheelers!